Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa. Thank you for joining me. Regardless of whether you're looking to downsize or upgrade your living space, there's something waiting for everyone here at Summerfield Woods. The lowest priced, first floor owner's suite community in Washington County. With ranch floor plans that feature a first floor owner's suite and a 2-car garage, we're proud to offer the best of main level living. Inside, elegant granite countertops and bright cabinetry create a welcoming kitchen space. And from there, the family room flows effortlessly into the dining area, perfect for entertaining guests or spending weekends with the grandkids. With flexible living spaces come the option for an in-home office or recreation room. And secluded home sites give you space for a sunroom, patio, or garden. Designed for an easier lifestyle, each home includes a walk-in shower, lever doorknobs, lowered light switches, wider hallways and doors, comfort height vanities and toilets, and the laundry room is just steps away from your owner's bedroom. Plus, with lawn care and snow removal included, you can spend time doing things you love most. We're located just 2 minutes away from I-79, so getting to the city for a night out is easy. We're also just minutes away from all the shopping, dining, and recreation that Washington has to offer. Say goodbye to climbing stairs and hello to a new beginning. Visit our website to schedule your visit and stay up to date with community updates, incentives, and more. We can't wait to meet you.